Hello guys, welcome to Service Planet. This is a Lenovo G550 motherboard, laptop motherboard. There is the part number KIWA7 LA5082P. I receive it in a no data display condition, so that I will check you first. I already finished the diagnostic over it, so that I will just show you all the fault and the solution. I'll connect the DC. It's turned on. You can see here there is a no data, so I already diagnosed the fault. You can see here, if I press the GMCS, so it's the displays comes. If I release the press, so it will be changed. So I'll see you see you again. I press the GMCS, it's the display comes perfectly, and when I remove the pressure, it's no data condition. So that this is a simple case of reflow or revolving. So I'll try to first to reflow it. If not solved, then I will revolve the GMCH. So let reflow first. So I already reflow it at 240 degrees Celsius. So now time to check. Now time to turn on. Motherboard is turned on. And my display is perfectly come, so my problem is solved. So that this is a simple case of dry the ball. So I reflow it and solve the problem. So if you found this problem, so you can reflow it. If your problem is not solved, then try to revolve the GMCH. So friend, thank you for watching. Thank you so much.